Do you need to create a form for responses or RSVPs? In this guide, I will show you how to create a quick Google form. Like and subscribe if this guide helps. In your search bar, you want to type forms.google.com. And once you have entered the website, you want to click Create a Blank Form in the top left corner. You can then start building and creating your form by adding a title and questions. Once you have completed your form, you can then tap Publish in the top right corner. You can also manage who has access to this link. We are going to tap Publish. And once it is complete, you can go back to that same bar in the top right corner and click it. And here you can copy the responder link and send it out for responses or for RSVPs. And just like that, you can create a Google form. Don't forget to like and subscribe.